We're going to be adding an image to your T9 handheld print file. From the main screen, select your Create File button. Then, once your message editor is open, we're going to select the Image button. That is going to populate the preview area with the simple image reference. On the right-hand panel, we have your general interface where you can adjust the X and Y coordinates or position in the print area, as well as the rotation of the object. In the Advanced tab, that will allow you to select the image as well as adjust the width and height of that particular image. So clicking Select Image will open the File Editor or File Manager. From here, the files that are available will be listed on the local drive. If you have it